Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi RS3 versus the Hyundai i30N. We'll dive into what makes each of these hot hatchbacks stand out, examining their unique strengths and weaknesses. Whether you prioritize raw power, a luxurious cabin, or an exhilarating track-focused experience, will help you understand which car might be the better fit for your driving style and budget. Let's explore the key differences. When it comes to sheer power, the Audi RS3 truly shines with its iconic 5-cylinder engine, delivering over 400 horsepower. This allows for blistering acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. The Hyundai i30N, while less powerful at up to 276 horsepower, still offers a thrilling drive with its responsive 2-liter turbocharged engine. It's a fantastic performer for its class, providing plenty of excitement on the road. Inside, the Audi RS3 presents a luxurious and refined experience, featuring premium materials and cutting-edge technology like its virtual cockpit. It's designed for comfort and sophistication. The Hyundai i30N, on the other hand, focuses on a more driver-centric and sporty environment. While it may not have the same level of luxury, its supportive sport seats and intuitive infotainment system provide everything you need for an engaging drive, prioritizing function over opulence. Ultimately, choosing between these two depends on your priorities. The Audi RS3 offers a premium, high-performance package with incredible speed and luxury, but at a higher investment. The Hyundai i30N provides an exhilarating, track-ready experience with fantastic handling and a distinctive exhaust note, all at a much more accessible price. Both are brilliant in their own right, offering distinct driving thrills for different budgets and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.